What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we're checking out Arthur's BRZ. We got the back half of the turbo, so we got it mounted. We are waiting for the intercooler to come in, the wastegate, blow-off valve, and we did get some injectors in, so that way we can start the fab work process. But I just wanted to show you all guys and give Arthur an update too, and let you check it out. Alright guys, this is Will Brown's 05 STI that we're doing a dart and sleeve. It's doing a full race twin scroll turbo setup, and we're doing an AMS intake manifold on, and then we had his transmission rebuilt because it was making that fourth gear grind, but we got all that sorted, and just wanted to show, got the engine in, got the trans in, and we're about to start rocking on the fuel system. Alright guys, this is just another one that come in that we're sorting some problems on Andrew's. I think this is 06 STI, but he's got a few little issues. He did a IAG motor and brought it in for Haltech, and then it wouldn't start, but we found the problem because it broke I'll send Roberto a picture, but it broke a tooth on the reluctor. So we got that fixed, and then we're getting it sorted out for it. Guys, we did have a little bit of time for Josh to put into the Supra this week, so he did finish up both of the intercooler pipings. He only had to add a IET bone and haul out the blow-off valve from when you weld the flange on it. But that's coming back, so as soon as he gives me that stuff back, I'll be able to mock it up and show you. I made a smidge more bit of progress on the Supra, so hopefully it'll be running soon. Guys, we got this Evo in. We're just doing Haltech setup on it. It's supposed to be a 2.2 Strucker, and it's got an FP red on it with some 2150s. But we're just getting it set up for him for flex fuel. We just got the 93 done, and probably in the next video we're going to go out and set it up in E85 and see what it does. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe. Drop a comment below of what car that you want to see more. And I just wanted to give y'all a quick shop update on what we got going on. But we'll see y'all in the next episode. Peace.